What's up, people, and welcome back to Ivan's Alignments. I know I haven't been on this in a while, and the last video I put was about making the RX-7 DCT. Yep, she's right there. By the way, happy 4th of July, people. We had quite a few issues, right? Unfortunately, here's the tranny. We had to take it out. One of our main issues was that whoever wired it, unfortunately, used the wrong wiring. Now, obviously, you know, I like backing up whatever I'm saying. So I got my boy Kevin over here. Kevin, what type of wires do you think these are?
They look to be like GXL wire or anything, like standard automotive wire, which is normally good for your typical use.
What were they supposed to be?
Like this is just preference.
Correct.
It would be tough cell wire, just because it has a different type of insulation and higher temp resistance. We've used tough cell wire submerged in fuels, different fluids and everything, no issues.
Yeah, so here, between the heat and the fluid, there was a zip tie here, which we put the zip tie on. Actually thought they put it on, but no, it was us. And man, look at that. I don't see if you guys could see that. Zip tie went right. So another problem, there was a zip tie here. I just broke them all to loose. I want to show you guys. I'm going to take this zip tie out. Kevin, cut this zip tie real quick. Just to see if I can show these guys how this thing like infused itself. Are they stuck together? Look, break them apart, Kev. Look at that. This is what every single wire in this transmission was infused together. Isn't that wild? All these wires were the same thing. I broke them apart. All of them. Every single one of them. And guys, the reason we took the tranny out is because I kept getting a code that analog 7, which is what tells the transmission and what gear it's I think it goes for the Hall effect sensor. So Bartek was telling me from HTG, which huge shout out to the guys from HTG. You just hit them up, they just go right through TeamViewer and any desk and just log in, and pretty much they diagnose everything with no issues, and they're not even charging or anything. So huge shout out to them too. Amazing support from the HTG guys. That's for sure. That is for sure. But anyways, he was telling me that. So that's why I decided to bring the tranny down to see. So when I opened this up, you know, wires were pinched from the cover because they swelled the hell up. Like, it's a disaster. A disaster. Look at this. It's just a disaster, guys. Like, your best options, if you're gonna go DCT and HTG, is either use DamiWorks, or there's another shop that I have in Texas, my boy Roman. I already forgot the name, Jesus. But anyways, I'll get back to that shop too. All right, guys, I had to go to my phone. It's Arts of Assembly. I know I had to do something with arts. It's just, I ain't come to work today. I just came today to the shop just for this, just to show you guys what happened, what could happen, and that way you guys don't have to go through this. So this is his IG. I hope you guys can see that. Arts of Assembly. His name is Roman. He actually wires them up, tunes them. The guy's amazing. He's an amazing individual. He had told me before I sent it out to I'm not even gonna mention the shop's name because it's not even worth, like, they just did they just messed up so many things between sending me the wrong bolts, sending me the wrong adapter plate, oh my gosh, like I don't want to even go on and on and on and on. But anyways, instead of you doing this messy, ugly job with cheap wires, or have somebody do it for you and you have to go through this headache, my suggestion is just go to my boy of Art of Assembly. Roman, I'll take care of you. Trust me, you're gonna save yourself a huge time, money, everything. You're just gonna save yourself time and money and everything. So guys, here we are, back at it, square one. I mean, was the car running pretty good? it was working well for a little bit until all those wires decided to swell up and get messed up. I even put some new DR2s on it. I'm super excited. But for what? Back to square one, guys. Anyways, as soon as I get the new flywheel, and I'm gonna send the tranny out, once I get it back from Rollman, we'll take a look at everything, which I probably, you know, just so I can show you guys, and we'll take it from there. We're still gonna stick to the DCT, even though a T56 Magnum doesn't sound like a bad idea. I just don't want to drive stick shift anymore. I don't know why. Kev, out of all the cars you've wired up, didn't you wire that 4-rotor, 3-rotor for that guy? What's his name? Rob what?
Oh, Rob Dom?
Have you had any issues with that?
No.
Not whatsoever, right? Because, you know, they were blaming you for a second. Oh, man. It's always easy to blame other people compared to just say, hey, man, just send it back. Let me take a look at it. But anyways, guys, hopefully with my advice, you got better luck than what I do. You should with my advice. As soon as we get everything, we'll try to get this thing rolling again and try to go through gears, and we'll give you a better update. Thank you.